Hello students. Now in BCom semester 5 business statistics unit number 1, our first chapter is linear correlation. In previous lecture we completed our first method when x bar and y bar are integer. Right now we are going to start direct method. Direct method can be used when observations of x and y are very small. See, this is our example. To check the eligibility of mathematics and logic of the student of a city, a private educational institute gives 20 puzzles based on these two subjects to 6 children selected from various schools. The number of puzzles solved by them is given below. Number of puzzles solved based on mathematics and number of puzzles solved based on logic. Compute the correlation coefficient between performance of children in two types of puzzles using the given data. Okay, first of all, we have to suppose it is equals to x and this is equals to y. Puzzles of mathematics equals to y and puzzles of logic equals to, mathematics equals to x and logic equals to y. Now we are preparing our table for solution. First we are writing x as given in our question x and second column is y. X is given by 12, 8, 9, 12, 8, 9, then by 10, 8 and 11. Okay, similarly y is given by 11, 10, 4, 7, 13 and 16. Okay, now see, we can observe here that observations of x and y are very small, so we are not taking any kind of deviations. So here we are using direct method. In direct method we have to prepare only 3 columns, respectively xy, x square and y square. Okay, we need only 3 columns. First, product of x and y, product of these 2 columns, 12 into 11, it gives us 132. Then by 8 into 10, 80, 9 into 4, 36, 10 into 7, 70, 8 into 13, 104, and 11 into 16, 176. Okay. Now squaring x, squaring this column x. 12 square 144, 144. 8 square 64, 9, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 8 square 64 and 11 square 121. Okay, now squaring y. Y square 11 square 121. Then by 10 is given 10 square 100, 4, 16, 7 square 49, 13 square 169 and 16 square 256. Okay. After preparing tables, we have to write total. If we find total of x, we will get sigma x is equals to 58. Sigma x is equals to 58, while sigma y is equals to total of column y is 61. Total of xy, sigma xy is equals to 598. 598. Sigma x square, it is equals to 574 and sigma y square, it is equals to 711. Okay. Now this is our table. Okay. After preparing this table, we have to apply formula of direct method. See, R is equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon under root of n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square, okay, into under root of n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. This is formula of direct method of finding correlation coefficient. Now putting the values. Okay. First, how many observations are given? It is already given in our question. There are total 6 children, means total 6 observations are given. So n is equals to 6. 6 into summation xy. Here we find 598, 598 into sigma x, 58 into 61. Okay. Divided by square root of n equal to 6. Sigma x square is given by 574. 574 minus sigma x whole square means sigma x is 58. 58 whole square multiplied by in another under root n equal to 6. Sigma y square. See here we find 711 minus sigma y whole square. Sigma y is given by 61. 61 whole square. Okay. Now simplify this one. 6 into 598 gives us 3588. 3588 minus 58 into 61 equal to 3538 upon under root of 6 into 574. 6 into 574 equal to 3444. 3444 minus 58 whole square equal to 3364 multiplied by in another under root 6 into 711 4266 minus 61 square is 3721. 3721. Okay. Now subtraction of numerator. Subtraction in numerator. 3588 minus 3538, it gives us 50 upon under root of 3444 minus 3364 gives us 80 into in another under root subtraction gives us 545. 545. Okay. And we are writing in single under root only. બંનેને આપણે મર્જ કરી દઈએ. તો 50 divided by, okay, product of both the terms 80 into 45 is 43600. 43600 in under root. Now 50 upon under root of 43600 is 208.81, and if we divide 50 by 208.81, it gives us 0.24. So R equals to 0.24 is our answer. Our second question is, the following information is available for 5 students selected from a school regarding the average number of study hours per day and average number of sleeping hours. Number of study hours and number of sleeping hours. Okay. See, wait. Calculate the correlation coefficient between the study hours and sleeping hours. Okay. First of all, we have to suppose x and y. Number of study hours taking it is equals to x, and number of sleeping hours equals to y. Okay. Now see, observations of x and y here are very small. Okay, 20 or less. 10 or less. So we are using direct method here. First of all, we are preparing our table. See, here is our table. First, writing our question x and y. X and y. X is given by 10, 5, 7, 10, 5, 7, 5 and 3. 5, 3. Then by y. 6, 9, 7, 8 and 10. Okay. Now after this multiply both the columns x, y. This is our answer column x, y, x square and y square respectively. Okay, 10 into 6 it is 60, 5 into 9 45, 7 sevens are 49, 5 eights are 40, wait, 40, and 3 into 10 is equals to 30. Now x square, squaring x, 60, wait, 45, 49, 40 and 30, yes, okay. 100 x square, 105 square 25, 7 square 49, 5 square 25 and 3 square 9. Then by squaring y, 6 square is 36, 9 square is 81, 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64, and in last it is 100. Okay, now afterward we have to find total. Okay, here we are finding total. First 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15. Okay, so sigma x is equals to sigma x is equals to 30. Sigma x equals to 30. Now sigma y. Sigma y equals to 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8, also 15 plus 10. Okay, sigma y is equals to 40. Okay, now find out total of xy, x square and y square. Okay, total of xy 60 plus 45 plus 49, 60 plus 45 plus 49 plus 40 plus 30 is equals to 70. It gives us 224. Sigma xy is equals to 224. Okay, now sigma x square. Sigma x square equals to, okay, 100 plus 25, it is 125 plus 49 plus 25 plus 9, 208. Total is 208. Similarly, sigma y square. Okay, બને ત્યાં સુધી shortcut use કરવાનો, like 164 plus 36 equals to again 100, 200, 281 થઈ જાય, 281. બાકી શું રહ્યું? 49 plus 49, 330, 330. Okay, now after preparing table, we have to put our formula of correlation coefficient, that is R equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon under root of n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square multiplied by in another under root n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Okay, now substitute the values. First find out n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. N is given by 5. So we are putting n equal to 5 into sigma xy, here 2 to 4 is given, 2 to 4 we find, sigma x 30 into 40. 30 sigma y is 40. Okay, upon n is equals to 5 under root of 5 sigma x square 208 minus sigma x whole square. Sigma x means 30 whole square multiplied by in another under root n equals to 5 sigma y square is given by 330 minus sigma y 40 whole square. Okay, now simplify this. 5 into 2 to 4, 5 into 2 to 4 equal to 1120. 1120 minus 1200. Okay, upon under root of 208 into 5. 208 into 5, 1040. 1040 minus 900. 30 square is 900. Into in another under root 330 into 5. It gives us 1650. 1650 minus 40 square is equals to 1600. Okay. Now subtraction of numerator. 1200 minus 1120. 1120 minus, we are writing 1120 minus 1200, it is equals to minus 80. એટલે સાઈનમાં કોઈ ભૂલ ન પડે. minus 80 divided by in under root, આપણે સિંગલ અંડર રૂટમાં લખશું, અહીંથી તમે ડબલમાં લખો તો પણ ચાલે. 1040 minus 900 equal to 140 into 1650 minus 1600 equals to 50. It is equals to minus 80 divided by under root of 14 5s are 70, which is 0 0, and it is equals to minus 80 divided by under root of 7000 and square root is 83.67. 83.67. Okay. Now divide 80 divided by 83.66. 80 divided by 83.66. 0.96 minus 0.96 is our answer. So R equals to minus 0.96. And here is your homework. Answer of this sum is R equal to 0.80. 0.82 is answer. चलो तो आ एक तमारू homework છે. So I hope કે આ method તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગઈ છે. Direct method, how to solve direct method when observations are very small.